Okwaji. If una come and deliver my message, my comment. Hello. My good evening. Na good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Na good evening. How una day dey go? How family? How work? How free? How toto? How una day? Egbareje waya domo. Wadomo, walamugun. Wakada, wabebe nere high. Yeah. I just enter house. You get video when I walk as a lover. No worry, but I need to do this. You get video when I watch when I day break. You don't understand. I first watched one yesterday. I watched one Saturday before 3 days ago. I be like, what did they happen? And I want to send this message to Madam 50 Cent of Radio Emilia, Mama Sharon. Madam, like I said, I don't know you. You don't call me. I don't owe you any conversation, and I'm not going to call you. And I'm not asking you to call me. You don't understand. My own voice is just for all, because I'm in a row. You know, I'm evolving based on I'm a mother, and now what my own mama does see experience that I know I did before body. Now make me they add my voice. See, they speak for you, may they not they insult you. They should start throwing bad words to you because you are money, because your enemy is in pain, and you have responsibility in your hands, especially those 2 children, those your 2 grandchildren. They are your #1 priority now, I think. But the way I'm seeing it, I don't think it's like that. Madam, please, enough of this your talk. Go tell me about my way, Madam 50 Cent. My social media me go wagi na. Oye na ge high court. Oye na ge ekpekpe no we wagi na. When you are in pain, a lot of people will want to come to you to know what your problem is. Especially people from social media. They will want to contact you. They want to hear your own side of the story. They want you to tell them more. They want to hear more. They want to know details. I agree. They want to know details. They want to know more. No understand. Iyagati, madam, watawa. Wate no report my phone. The one who will live, madam, who they follow the fight. We be say a secret ya fe we no wo ya la we boy ke ya fe aye ya we live video ne madam e ya re voice record ya re record we no ya ta lo madam aku aga agui madam 50 Cent ye Sharon agaku aga agui when it ima onu ti eme ibe ti we. But my condolence to you for losing your own daughter. Your only daughter for that matter. My condolence. But mind your mouth, madam. Mind your mouth. You are going too far. Already ya fe, the presenter ya etabe gbo ya fe. O wewe oni anodoze no error. Oh, where man doka emata na here, oge na here. This one I true, this one not be true, this one I true. Kemanu webe talo ma do what alo maya. Oh, but no sike what ya talo maya. I don't know, but do well now, do well. Ona bega well, madam, mind your mouth. You are on details. If no ya no talo na ya different the one na ya gbina no na ya gbu e wa ku madam. Aga ya gbu e wa ko to bu ya lega. Bibiere no yako ke monasi aheno. Uma manulele ve social media. Easy, easy, my easy. Like boya wazi ke do adenia. If we are sick, men of a guana. Obi re mela da do teme ropa. If you have fair no waka no work where you fair, ya what in the social media. No when we are what madam. Me, I don't understand though. Who they fight you now? Madam, who they fight you? Who carry what face you? What's your talo? They man in lawa what go to ogu near ya talo la dia. When you are getting lawa wa. When you are getting lawa wa. When you are getting work, but don't what do what better madam one. I just want to tell you this one. Madam one la wo. Aku ega agui. Agaku. Hey. Stay less. It's obvious she's not the one talking. It might be someone close to her, and Izzy is also talking as well. You should know this, Madam. Frankly, Osazuwa, I understand your comment, but you may go gwana anyway. Ibueva, itae. I talk and go this side. I talk and go this side. Didn't no, you go not run one. Deve dem anisi koe no be yata le tato to na. Wa be mi eni ye shara be mi be gbe na be ama wa ken wa be akpolo wi re ekpolo wi e because it's too much already. Oh. We wa tana wa talk is talking too much na ya agun. Why medicine good work o? Don't tell me je sharon ma we o. Don't need je sharon ma. Don't need je sharon ma we because I don't know because even ni me on social media me ya gun a. E nega ve boji. Nega we pele na mo bo ma hu. Now only yesterday when I heard the video where is it she mentioned my name. I got to look for her phone number through Babare Authentic Brother. You can't give me her phone number. I can't call her. Explain where my whole talk is coming from. Where I hear it from. Things when I talk. See the person mouth where for the hearer. And the person say, now you are your mama the day. Now the waiting to hear from you are your mother. Now she take the talk. And she said she don't know this woman from Adams. She said she don't know anything about this woman. If negi ebe verboji be said in here. She also they see the woman for TikTok here with Bera Mela live video then with my going there. So I talked to her yesterday. She not tell me anything na social with mama and papa the quarrel. Na so papa and mama not the quarrel. Na so na so this one. No, she not tell me anything. She not tell me because no waroto no se gbe dadoge. Uhuna no maria ya book no maria ya kbi error. No maria ya wallet error. I understand. That is why I be defending her all this one, and I will still keep on defending her. They should let her mourn in peace. They man never see ko no when we mo ko yan. No make am yan when you are boji yen kure. What see yan ege ni just see because it's too much already. Na Facebook of Sharon yan we yan give see. Hello. Even a Facebook agenda. Oh, why the Facebook ya we saga? That no la Facebook Sharon with video one night. Who want you share on Facebook to do? What do you want share on Facebook to do? Why we can work on Facebook? Whenever you see here, I want to see what did they happen, sir? It be like saying that we were there outside. We be say they hear the girl name. Now the girl death the pain. Because it be like say the inside that. I don't understand the way one at take day. Oh, me no understand. Nobody even know when they want better to the way die now. You get it? Okay, but nobody even know the way forward. Maybe I might not be eligible to know because I'm not a member of the family. But I think that should be what they should be discussing now. Asila wa tu. If na mate ona tate ya fo. Oh, de ye Sharon go wagun. Oh, ni ye Sharon be mule ma wa no be we beta mo wa 010 067 yon. Una just pour everything come out. Okay, stainless. The family wanted to use Sharon page to officially address the Edos and announce a burial. Girl, go rest. Made the girl go rest. As though, my sister, OKPAMEN Facebook. Yeah, well, now what we say. OKPAMEN get Facebook. I believe say mama 50 cent get Facebook. Even if mama not get time for that one. OKPAMEN brother get Facebook. Make them use your Facebook to address their sister death. Now when me go be page okay. They should leave Sharon page for the now. I'm not feel change man for easy. And I don't get anything where I want to fight to wear now. The only thing I come out, when I see when I kneel down. Do you understand? When I see when I kneel down, go on my knees. When I kneel down, go on my knees, they beg Izzy, they beg. I've not felt beg Izzy. I'm not felt there against her. There is no time where I take there against her. Now when I come to hear many talk, when she still talk about, yeah, I see come at her address and this particular woman for TikTok. Now I want make she address, make her know, say, she don't have anything. That would, what is that woman they thought it too big past me. We be not use my mouth to talk. It too big past me at the year for her mouth. It never gets away I take there against her. Never. Why is it go delete the Facebook from the phone? I don't know whether the phone there with Izzy. She don't tell me say the phone there with her. You say when she come, they give her the phone, she give the phone back to your brother. That is all she tell. I don't know whether she delete her. So all this many lies. I know that the one una day oh. See me I tell una. Mommy Sharon, Madam 50 cents. Can organize both the viewers where they listen to me now, both the commenters where they comment now, both anybody for this social media will not get help for you. Ununa maya wade pripa. Will not get anything. What we go do for you? All the body is in your court, madam. Cause on ata neso no tiya magu no wiya magu ni jiya magu na gbesha don't know who mase. Ya wa ragmare se degbo emi ya eje. Na gbesha don't know who maso wa bun. Nu wiya ke wa de ta be comment section. All that day live video. Obun madam. So I'm not getting that to fight Izzy because all I know say made them not the draft shot on my man. I make me come out. I never come out come fight Izzy for the beginning. Even till now, I never see fight her. At the letter I know say anything where she knows say she want talk, make she can't talk her for live video here. But it's unfortunate Izzy self, she's not the one talking now. You can't be saying now people, this one say. September 21st is Sharon service of song. Nice one. That's a good one. At least that this kind of one more day here. Who get this way want to support? Go they support. Live video. Wait. No, majere yata. No better, but no majere yata with Facebook. Yata with TikTok. No majere yata with TikTok. It's too much already. It's too much. Easy. Hello. We don't do part 1, part 2, part. Every time when I she's not the one even fighting anybody. No, they fight her. That's what I'm saying. Want change mouth. Izzy don't talk to me. I want change mouth. She want pay me. I bet she want beat me. Now my sister die. We get what you want for the girl matter. No. But maybe they don't do the thing like say, now human being, that not be dog, not be goat. We na mu no me. Oh, kita warrior ho. O managbon. It's like Mohbad already, but Mohbad it go where. But this one, I don't know where they go where. The saga where they this one, not they go where because when it was saga, I never hear say this one do this one. Even me, I never get one that where I don't put for the matter. But they pray is too much already. I want she's not there to defend herself. She cannot even say yes or no or yes. It's too much already. Oh, anyway, because I know say if you see as far as he say no Sonia, I see had the right now to sit up back to say women were it not go make sense. Mommy, anyway, means the baby with mother 50 cents again. You can't even 1 hour see beguna again. More na poor together to go to give that don't you be concern be my own. I don't care about one fight, one fight, no concern me. Talk whether they tell live video better now. Now when she here for live video, she will come and explain. That's why they say all this live video the dragging is too much already. Oh, when live video we do analyze it. You get what is talk we be not here for any live video. Man officer the favor the now mother 50 cents to the children I be my own concern. One another the drag easy. All of us where the drag easy now me you the other presenters. None of us they close to those children. The way is it? I don't see back that one yesterday. Not they analyze anything. Anything what they like. Made they talk. It's me mama me where we not there. Me not see beg you yesterday. I beg you. I pleaded with you yesterday. Forget all this live video talking. Not they analyze anything again. Let them talk. They go talk. Mushano your turn. But this case go see close. All we go on social media. Let them talk. If you want be anything for your friend, when you if there's anything, maybe I see talking now for live video. If there's anything you want to bear for your friend when she was alive, this is the time for you to bear it for her when she cannot defend herself. Let people talk. You come in now to explain. I don't understand what you wanna know when me not understand. Let them talk and forget about these people. I want to know you talk yesterday. Make them they tell they say you do this one. As far as say not be mama Sharon, don't carry my can't tell you say now you keep my picking. Let who they talk, they talk. I begged her yesterday, oh seriously, oh. I begged her yesterday, like when they say person they talk. Me not can understand what it that they debunk, they explain. Is it what you want to explain? I know say it's not easy to keep quiet now. I know say it's not easy to keep quiet, but for the sake of the one that cannot not be person keep quiet for how much worry so. Oh my keep quiet. When most say it's not easy to keep quiet. Not be person keep quiet for how much worry so and not the be say you know even they know what they saw. No talk of me and you even shadow way don't that not be they say they insult, they drag up and down. Someone gonna why you drag more. Forget these people. Forget these people. Leave them. Make them they talk. Make them they talk. No. I don't know if that is a motive. I cannot say what I don't know. It's a comment, but I will react. I don't know. It make a reader and comment. You say stainless. One thing I don't mean stainless. You don't understand. Yeah, is as easy mission is not accomplished. She wants use this the case make social media money. My sister. My sister. My sister. I don't know. Because person like me, I not feel, and as far as I not get bad intention against anybody, I not feel they suggest anything bad against. I not feel they suggest what he did that person mad. I not feel they suggest what he did that person mad. To be honest, but one thing is it offend me. And the video where I see she do 2 hours ago when I did work, maybe that should be 5 hours ago. My sister, no, nah. Yeah, I beg you, well, yes, I must go on my knees for phone again for you. What happened? I not say no easy. I not say no easy at all. So they hear what you not do, they put out for your body. But I see explain one thing to you yesterday. Easy. May you know say now what me are you talking now? They talk here so. I tell you yesterday what means tell us of your mele. Go free come out, come explain. Now what I know say me and you discussing. I follow you through this matter for real. Yeah, do really. We talk and we whether not by phone or face to face, so we talk about something like that. But you come in now, turn it upside down, try to make me look like the bad person. I say now let me carry the matter come meet you. I will come out openly anywhere where that matter for happen, I will come explain where I go wrong. But the person who will gossip go say, I say, unless you offend me, I go tell her sorry. But if you be say what you they talk about me, I don't know one, I don't know two, I don't know even why you test that time, I don't know how they test that time. Now what I know I want to explain. You say, yeah, that's true. I'm not going to what you they explain. I be all this one where they talk, you know about it. Because me not can understand. I don't know whether it's the man not clean, whether he don't forget what he don't fair do you. Apart for this matter where you're the ground, so I hold nothing against her. I believe she hold nothing against me. The only time where I'm busy, I don't ever thought to her insult her on this social media. Now during the time when she get issue with the my mama lady or song at the Melbourne, and we still come to settlement. That was that. Whether I might clear, I might not clear. I'm not a man dictator, my brother, I be my sister. I'm not a man dictator. So you go let me know whether he clean or you not clean, or you get there when you say for go see check who clean, who not clean. I bet if you know whether is in man not clean, see let us know kill Sharon. Make this one matter for off. If you can know whether is in man clean or you not clean, see airport look who kill Sharon, no rest. All this whole thing is too much. When this Sharon was alive, I don't know if my main friend with her, even me. But now we say all of us can't be dead body friend. Hello. They say let those who are alive agree to their disagreement and let the dead body rest with what they don't know. That's what it be. Ha. Ah wow. Me I know. I just want to tell you this. As far as frankly Osazuwa, do say now you since you see you bless you na insider for the Sharon matter for burial arrangement, however, as far as it's in September 21st. Now it be Sharon service of song. Thank you for at least that one there. See me send for the information. Who be never know now don't see no. Thank you. Since you not see insider for inside the matter, thank God say you talk and it's not be mama 50 cents. They tell this presenter where they drag her up and down, say, see what they go talk. I bet see letter no go no yes yegbe. What yegbe? I make no yata lo ma. I make no yata lo ma who. Mama no do explain ma. Mama no do tell ma. Mama who anybody explanation. So if Okpame want to talk, instead of dragging, making argument for where there's no argument, Okpame or any member of the family want to talk, they have their Facebook. If you show your face, I'll be Sharon, but everybody will know so that you be whether any plans, anyhow when you want to address the family, it must not be Sharon page. I don't know what I don't get what I say, but if you ask me, it must not be her page. She got children where say maybe anybody will get access to the Facebook. My one use the Facebook for the children. If you say the mama get access, if you say anybody where they close to her get access, we go bring her come out tomorrow say now this one be Sharon details to her Facebook. Oh, I felt no when she come my house or she tell me or any, however I don't know. I'm just saying for saying sake. But for now, anybody that want to address the family can use any page to address the family. Don't let anybody see. Now no one on the Facebook. Anyway, see, may I put on like this generally. Not that let anybody be anybody whosoever for this social media. They tell una what una go do. I watch one Facebook where somebody measure and say somebody is they support you Sharon page they address it within their dose so that they will know your future better. My brother be my sister or anybody. If you know say you get any support when you want rather to this family, do it. Do it. If there's any way you want to support the family, Mona Lisa share on Facebook. Before I go turn that Facebook to Saga Facebook. Before I go spoil her for her children. She had children for crying out loud. Okpame me Facebook iwegi yagunwa. Umeti record that said that the presenter make me no wale ya post a family member backing. It must not be Sharon page. It must not be a Facebook. When I come in enogie. Oye na megene no ocho one more who egbo wa gbe wa na did agbo na da. Mo na take am easy. Why me wa bia yo to? Then did you one oreva no Okpame ha to we. Obi juwe wu no da. Dede mama ye muya ye bi o me bi jobe bi enu e. O me wa no bi jobe enu e. You people should stop talking. Sharon brother has details. He is in charge of everything. They want let that dragging easy. Why they not dragging easy? Why? What is all this? Enough. Okay, that what I said, ne? Mona support the GoFundMe where they put on air. Anybody wait, get please give me GoFundMe what support. Me mona rest. Can I hear? What drag boy, lelo imi here. What sunu? What's it happen? You don't do for God's sake. Beg Izzy to stop distracting the burial process. How? Why are you people like this? I don't laugh out loud. Why we are distracted? My brother be my sister because I don't know. I she tell the distractor. She break the coffee where they want put her. She canceled the date. She stopped the GoFundMe. She sees the corpse. I she tell the distractor. What for now? Who should be with her talk? Any dragging. Why you come in any man not be one person call and let you the answer. I got when you make a knock when you what happened? When not on your own body. You said no not be talk. No one not be batty. You say right, so make she not the distract. Or when me comment in but don't know when maybe I distract who will talk. Who will talk? Ha! Mona let that girl, John Mama Sharon take care of those children for God's sake. When it rubbish in a wire move, una no they go carry out, una no they go anywhere, one want to go help that woman tomorrow. God forbid. What's it happen? I mean, that one will live into a go back. Who you want drag that body, Sharon? Who want drag follow Easy? Who be the topic of the head? Easy, Sharon Mama. What soon naji? What did they happen? Who will not want to weba? This death will escape you. Who will not lo weba? Our little will not talk a command rock baba. Mona let Izzy join this woman take care of these children for God's sake. Already no very talent no there. Me I know why you talk anything, but she didn't take anything bad about Mama Sharon. No talk anything bad about the family of Sharon. She only talk the area like she said. Leave it tell me not like say she tell me something secret. I don't want to talk come out. He said what she be write her name. John among the guardian will be say one even they take care of the children. But it's unfortunate they remove her name. But she not drag. She let it be, but whether they write her name or they not write her name or as far as the first baby, if they recognize her, she go see they do her thing. The way where she know rich as her own daughter. No matter get a look at what the man turn la Diana. I'm what we talk. Say maybe now what they do now she call the talk come out. No. The children need this support. They need that. God bless you, Vivian Bo. Irabo, sorry. Vivian Irabo, so God bless. Those children need that girl. They need that lady. They need that woman with the grandmom. They need that woman with her grandmom. Mona let it be. She's not even angry. She can even go there at any time. As far as her mama let her enter, she enter. As a few days ago, she said, Mimi, the little girl Mimi was with her. Mona let that girl support this woman. Ijo bunu waje. Ige social media maya go along. Nile gbemen buy because my very go not ready. Mona let this girl go support this woman for crying out loud. E mama give you a walk. Eddie Omomo, she's not young. With this penis high is heavy. Wanna let Izzy get access. With the way the girl talked to me yesterday, there's no reason to go against her. Whether she they thought pretend that, whether she they pretend that more, or she not they pretend that more, or she they fear me, or she not they fear me because at the next comment wanna go right now, or she not they fear me. I don't give an F. But I hear what you are supposed to hear from the way for the person we are supposed to hear them from. Wala wo. Wala wo wagizi de support oko na waso na wasizi ayebekun. Ije Sharon magi wa hu weni ho na ni awo magi wa hu. Wani ya na ko na kian ke no tamu wa ke na wo wa sebe gboko na wa na ko na fo wa ti wa gbona no vie. No wa ya ka opportunity no wa ya na je Sharon na vie na kina. Wa wo ti wa gbona ni ye Sharon wo vie. Oga gbona no ma wa gbona awa ma wa oda wa ma wa. Igbina da wa gbina wa igbina da na kina re igbina na wa gbina la jobo e kin alare o wa school e ma yo egbere ma iko ma na o jobo ye gbe mo na re o wa ri ewo sha bi una portion un ero wo no lie wo no ro wo no ya wo cause it's too much already. These children need this lady for God's sake. What they are support eh? They are supporting what we are no corner. What to was supported you were there. Hey. Mama Sharon carry easy for men. Yes, she said she and her mom they call her. But you see here now a lot of even her family members are calling her. She's not picking. What did she want to talk? Who want to see her can go and see her. Izzy know her house. If you want to hear from her, if you want to know what she's doing, go there. Alright, who come and pick a call. Hello? Wa unemo e boari owa. Wa enogie. Uzeti e upate e baba mama ko boari owa. Mama Mateo, mama ko be open me ya ma. E mo be me ya vegie. You go and meet her. Why not the act or the voice of these social media people? Easy, please, beg your mommy. No, not listen to all this one where they come out for social media. Why not they listen? You coach, you not pay, you go meet her for house. And any man you, eto we birthday ni ha, eto we marriage. Oh, we all here. She might shoot to talk to whoever she don't want to talk to. That is not the point. That is not a point to paint her red or to paint her blue. You and I know she's not dancing. And then over there, you have your boss because I'm not more. Why that be enogie? Why is it not? She go. Easy go there again. I will be this one now. She go. She will go there. And that is the teaching of Sharon. To those children grow to an adult to take care of themselves. If she deny those children those are privilege of supporting her mother, that means she was never a friend. Even time I will not there. Easy at the time we want to do that, I can do as we love ourselves as a sister, we trust ourselves. That trust you say you have for Sharon and she have for you. This is time for you to let her know. Yeah, even in her death, she can trust you through her children. She go. She will go there. Also, what want they do like this? Make she go. Easy like that. I can't tell my not there. You come message on her. You just boy wrong. No help. Like few. She go open door. All work here hune. Okay, so hena care hune. Easy go there. Go and play with me and post it for us. These are the things I want to be seeing from you. Now what I tell you yesterday. These are the things I want to be seeing from you. Oh, you are me move a carry and go gadget, carry and play. Post it on your page. These are the things I don't want to be seeing from you. Those are the things person like me want to be seeing from you. Not be all this nama when you come to debunk, come to explain. You not get who you owe explanation. Uro wa me ya sunu. Ume yare na ma yase. Thank you. You know the genesis of the first child. You know the genesis of the second one. So they need you. You are equally as their mom. Every time I were not there, you agree to it. So go there. Go not for the mama. I believe now easy. You are not the problem of Mama Sharon. I don't think you is the problem of Mother 50 Cent. I don't think it's so. I'm not sure say now you be the problem of Mama Sharon at this moment. Now people will surrender. Now then be a problem. People will surrender. Now be a problem. It is like you want them to buy easy, like life deep. Nobody go buy nobody. Nobody they buy nobody. Nobody they buy nobody no wa kan wa yere no zigolo. Nobody they buy nobody. Edu wejia. I don't know lele was so ma no legging akpa we Sharon ragbon. Why not easy when Sharon dey allow me run for Sharon say go dey work buy. Na so you be. So I don't know how to dey make peace for this for social media anymore. And when they say why ma, if nobody for why waje. Not if anything way spoil, nothing better for my eye, or anything way good, nothing better finish for my eye again. What if you this can hear comment be this one now? Can you hear comment be this one now? Not this kind one now. Who see hear this one? I will see come across they talk. Anyway, I'm not supposed to reply to una comment. I don't understand because all visual don't be acting all work on who different woo or to no woo or woo. You don't understand? Not be you die, not be your mama die, not be your papa wife die, not be your senior sister die, not be your cousin die. Fuck your comment for the now. Oh, I never die. Me I drop me I go eat because I'm a Mama Sharon, I beg, please. In fact, I go not again go rock back one. Anybody social media, may they know hear your voice, Mama. Yeah, koya could be na koya dedo ya boy. Iya dedo ya gbo wa hwe. Iya dodo ya leluwe kon wa hwe. Umona wewe ne ya bonu ya hwe. Iya dedo ya logo wa hwe. Do wa ne we lega ye Sharon no wa wese. Enu wa onu wa tabe gbe mo mama boya ta. Wa me opportunity ya ta. Dobe ye ron wa mai ta wa ta fam no be dem mo bi ye to no bi nkore. Wa ho aya was easy abeg. As I beg you for fun, I want to beg you again. Please my sister. Please, those children need you and their grandmother. These are the two, and their father. Like you said, the father is still very, very. The father, if the father wants, even they say is the father, as you said, the father want to play role of a father for their life. Of course, you must play role of a father. So, make the children of una put hands together, give those children life. If you even be say you get the password to share on Facebook, I don't know. If you get, not give them. Not give them, make they not do any saga. Make they use their page, their Facebook. Carry phone, face their eye. Record. To address whoever their family member with their social media, what they want to address. To address anybody who want to give the 20 million, what they want to address. Those, even if you get, say, if I were you, if you can, I'll just say they do update about those children. Because now what now that page also, I believe they say they are more what their mother say they use more, so they take care of those children. And then what in the back by saga here. A saga. Okay, Levani Latin. It be now. Here do analyze me Facebook presenter. Here what I work make page need to you be. Eri don't not go well or go where my sister down. Hold on tight. Dia wo de Facebook ya ma be mo yoto wo ni avalo mo report ni ai. Wa avalo mo report. No le pepper soup, no le pepper soup go. Ai, it's too much already. But easy. He be kani go meet mama. Mona, if you back and me awake am we ude ni ate bu we. Ni Atiti ate we ba ni atama we that we koko ni time we dagbo. Openly advice. They go meet mama, go they support mama. Ask mama wo kan aje. Any mama wedding any yari wa any egbo re ri ka gin we because I'm ayesin amwe aye private jet amwe aye zaboy amwe no wu won balo no wu pa ni. So if I may you not go the make suggestion add the one do add the no go do you work a suggestion. Any suggestion what they make support. Not they reject anyone. Say I don't support this one, I don't support this one. Sharon go like her, Sharon not go like her. This is a family. Anyone where they say, and that's all we want do. If na what you feel pull hard, if na anyhow, if na money not yeah, I'm a job bigo, I'm a job no, I'm a job pukpe, I'm a job total comma, I'm a job boje, I'm a job bobo here, I'm a job bobowa. You understand? Any suggestion where they know say they want to put your friend to rest, make you rest well to the bosom of God. Follow up with it. This suggestion I be that maybe na where easy. I tell one aware whether but I'm maybe na where na where give it out as an opinion. Or opinion where you have what day you alloy. What my day you wait for the right opinion and follow up. Please, the welfare of those children is my concern. Iye. Kenu ho, kenu ma ho, kenu ya ginya ho, kenu ma ya ginya ho mama 50 cents. Kenu ya ginya, kenu ma ya ginya ho no ho. Jagwegbe because ya wa de wakama ne. Aga ide ne wakama unu agisimi. Wonje jagwegbe. Ina ya fe o be layin aboreba, o be gba hu ya reba ya be mi ababo nije. We can set in me or send one ya with me. Or send one ya with me. Etalo mama rockba. No where no one I can now no vivi emobo. Etalo mama rockba, etalo mazenta lo maso. Ega rockba me no worry la jack be la de Facebook. Ega me voice work be la de Facebook. Concerning mo focus on your grandchildren. Give them life. Since ya woman wa Virginia, a love in Vionia, I remember so. Mona, let them have a taste of a mother through you. Let them enjoy that mother through you. La woje. The work and social media re unu eyaji ibozere o mejobowo. No lao. Unu ni buje ibozere o mejobo. You need to ta anything. Easy. I got many me we say no there. Who were ye debunk if you explain no man woman ever except you know what they talk about in my time no there. Now I make you the because me man ever and I don't have anybody explanation. Except you know what they are talking about. I make you come to explain because I don't know what you said they come to explain. May you rest for explanation. Where explanation? Who we am evidence in your way here? What evidence so I'm done me way. Evidence ya who are now easy. In your evidence. I feel look by you evidence. So for that simple reason, let whatever I want to say anything about you, let them say. Let them talk. As long that we get away, get me. Umazo get badima. Umabdu me yoko bamo we. Unate me yoko. Let them talk. Let them talk. Forget about it. Ignore them. You can't tell me when they including me. Ignore me. Ignore everybody. And go meet mama. Do the right thing. Simple. Please. La wo la. Even if we're not there near. We talked for more than 1 hour yesterday now. We talked more than an hour yesterday. I begged you. I pleaded with you to ignore these social media people. Many get man, I feel get help. La wo la. That pikin don't miss you now for days. And they're not supposed to be like that. Be close to this girl. You tell me the other day that she was like, where's mommy? Where's mommy? She see mommy video for phone. She begin to kiss your phone. Because she's thinking mommy is coming back. You have a lot to keep that girl memory fresh. Even when she's going to school, she don't have anything to think about. Please, now, easy now. I know the pity for Mama Sharon. I to Epa now. Waro wagmina na ejo bo waje for na to the fight easy. So na the fight easy for Mama Sharon. Ejo bo waje mata ma we na ete. Why you get na ibe kana gbero wa do mu wa ga la play la moto ya iwe. Mama be murebe gwe mu weekend now. E ba ejo bo no waje. Okwo na give ye mumu. No ya kon we asanson. Huh? Why is it you to oda wo eh? Omo no ka ro budo ka jo wa evie no ka e dawo wa e ti na yejo wa ekonia if I after when is we are gonna be make a peace why you me viewers why you me 2 million why me 20 million why you me go with social media wanna stand for the right path why not say these two people for fights why not turn to enemy. And so then we take down on what sick. That's why I cannot say, okay, these children are free because it's only down on yoga ma. Down on kilonoji la no. As soon as you can go on no yoga ma. We are walking away when yoga ma will la lenue. Because she's nothing good about her. Now we are mama blue hair, Sonia no whole one already talking about. There's nothing good about that nuisance. I want to say Morocco ya ho wa woman irusun. I will let Morocco the man, but she's the president. When she talk and say she know my mind, she know now make me come out very angry. They shout for it that day. But when she tell me yesterday she don't know this woman, they have never spoke, they never even know her for face to face, they never even see her for her life. So I think those children are free because they will be free with her. Walao. Okonu was set in the Uwa watu abalo yo konyegbe. This is all I had. Now what I get content with this. My way no robi. Okunu wasina ijoboero. Watemonve. Talk another thing. Teme ki atemu, teme fe ko temo risan. Temo baseki no howa. Baseki vieve doste wa mai ton baseki wa vieve commissioner of police ma mo fo wa magie na no bitan wa magbe. A lot of things are going on. What you have with them? Wow, it's too much already. Please. Wala wo. Why go out to I or tati me? Easy la wo. Stop replying to these people. If you want to be growing your content, if you must post something for your page now, let it be Mimi and you. Let it be Mimi. Mimi done the entire media before. At least this small one, keep that one private for now with Mama. Let it be Mimi and you. Take her to playground. Take her to eat. Take her to lick ice cream. Take her to park. Play with her as my did one before. You know what she likes. You know what she likes. I can say only you know her favorite meal. Because you are being with her. Please, Lao. Me you way. La beg a day. Having your name mejo boy, bozego mejo boy. Iye Sharon ya oni ya wagbe. Ya oni ya na ni atoke ni gbe ya fe no bere kwa se no rame. Atai for no maike. I tell your phone, nothing remain again. Lao. Go close, please. I think that is what your friend needs from you at this moment, to be close to her children. You being far away, I think you are not doing Sharon no good. Lao. Thank you everybody for your time. I will tell you I get comfortable with this when I see my eye hungry don't wire me. When you by your worries. May I eat and go bath. Now do well. I beg. Easy. I never see your name here. Definitely. Why be here agreement like this? Please. Ya we otanagba tayoto oge gajerio oge gajerio. Ona imi awe no we hoho ebe do imi awada we do imi awazagba na. My we mama nyo we ni mana no de gbera mi bekana to be close to these children. Way forward for these children. That is my concern. Mera, of course. But someone has to support them. To make them not feel that pain. Although when they grow, they might feel it, but for the now. May not bless Pikin Congo they go school, no, you go come to think of what you not support to think at his early age. Walao. That's for me. Wanna let the one way die sleep. Wanna let the one way they alive breathe. Wanna do well.